And I like to go out to the kind of little, they call it peninsula we have here. This is another nice little quiet hotel. And to their advantage, they have a microbrewery. That one that looks a bit like an old church. You might see the dragon head there. We have something called stave churches in Norway, and security looks very low-key. Yes, I mean, for instance, a few years ago in Bergen, you know, the second largest city in Norway, they had one homicide. And I think she said that he deserved it in court. So yes, we have very little crime in comparison to other countries. How often cruise ships come to FLÅM? They come in the high season on a daily basis. I mean, you have Vikings, you have Costa, you have MSC, and there's so many. So if you go to Norway, then you will come to FLÅM. And you also have smaller boats. So this is it. This is more or less the security. I'm still amazed they can float. The ship. Sailors get very annoyed when people don't know the difference between a boat and a ship. What is the name of this cruise ship? What did we say? Silver something. The peninsula. Moon, yeah, moon, was it moon something, huh? Silver Moon. And as we come up here, it's a nice place for a little morning coffee or so docked a little bit. Sorry. Silver Moon and the Norwegian fjords. And Robert says, yes, the water must be very deep, and that's correct. The deepest we have in a Norwegian fjord is in the Sogne Fjord, and they have about 1,500 meters. 1,500 meters deep. Just trying to walk and not fall on my face here. And if you just joined, we're doing a little Heygo walk with FLÅM today. And again, you know, they also have a nice, decent at least, camping ground here. Sounds windy. It's not too windy. Probably just me take them around the area. And there's of course plenty of things to see just by driving a couple of hours in one direction and then drive back. And the temperature there, Eva, it's about 6-7 degrees now.
I've never seen this.
Oh, Fred Olsen's Bolette is the other ship. Thank you, Sandy. Fred. And some black cars. Not sure if that's the Norwegian mafia or something else, huh? One thing I think we can do a lot better is Scandinavians are a bit lousy at customer service. You know, you need to crack more jokes and smile a bit more. And also we have to learn how to package things, how to do upsell. And here we have the little co-op little supermarket that cater for people's needs, chocolate and biscuits. So we're just gonna sneak around here on the back side on the way back on this Sunday. My father's birthday, 18th of September. It would have been 79. It's a shame. And we'll soon come up to a very, very profitable store here. They have all kinds of, you know, Norwegian souvenirs made in China here. If you go just a bit further, you can buy, you know, goat cheese from the local farmer. They are very, very proud of their local food here, and so they should be. Lamb, of course, is a big Norwegian dish. And oh, thank you there, Jazz. Thanks. And also from this area, that might be a postcard. From this area, they also have the world's best cider from the Lærdal community. Yeah, tent camping is available. They also have these little huts. And lots of people the last, 15 years have chosen RVs, recreational vehicles. So that's very popular. The baby boomers get themselves a little RV and hit the road. Mall of Norway. Let's see if we can quietly go through here. They might throw us out, but let's silently just walk through here. See if we can see some trolls. There are so many things I don't need. Norwegian flag. These Norwegian sweaters. Maybe designed in Norway, but definitely made in elsewhere. And they are kind of ugly cute, aren't they? These buggers. And they got all kinds. Troll with flag, troll fishing, little troll from different countries. Where do they all end up, these creatures? As we know it. Ah, look at this. Lovely memories of our visit to FLÅM. Well, that's nice. So here's the kind of, where you get your tickets and such. So I take you out on this side, the little visitors center and ticket. And here we have maps of this railroad, the FLÅM Scenic Railroad. Up. And it takes up. Here they go. Go. Get the best seats. The bike here may be on the train then. So yes, they were in a hurry. All these stressed people, huh? But let's see here. 9 hours. Oh, from that particular train, it's from Bergen to Oslo. And it's also a beautiful train, right? I think sometimes you have to pay for beautiful things. So public transportation is, I think, second to none almost in Scandinavia. And here again, that may not